In this video, I'm going to be going over what is alliteration. Alliteration describes a series of words in quick succession that starts with the same letter or sound. Alliteration can be used in poetry, in short stories, novels, songs, and everyday speech. One of the main uses of alliteration is to create a sense of harmony within the poem, story, novel, or just when talking. Okay, let's jump into some of the examples of alliteration, and some of these you've probably already heard when you're growing up. I know when I was growing up, my mom would say this stuff to me all the time. Try to say it as fast as you can. Say it as fast as you can. So let's jump into the first one, and if you guys want, try to say it as fast as you can. She sells seashells by the seashore. It's that play of words, that tongue. That's the first example, so try to say that real fast. 5 furry frogs fishing for flies. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be going over what is a simile. A simile is a description to compare two things, and it's usually two different things. The next section here says this is used to show how two things are similar. So it's going to compare how this thing and this thing, they're different, but how they're alike. Okay, so whenever you use a simile, you're going to be using these 3 words, either like, as, or than. And I have some examples coming in the next slide right now, guys. Okay, so here are some examples of similes. So the first example I'm going to use as, and it says he runs as fast as a cheetah. So we know that the he, so it's a person, is running as fast as a cheetah. They're two different things. One's an animal and one's a human, but he's saying that he runs just as fast as a cheetah would run, right? So that's where you have the differences of what they are, but the similarity is that's how fast they're running. Obviously, it's probably not exactly, but to whoever is telling the story is showing that, wow, this guy's running really, really fast. Okay, so the next one is she's brave like Captain America. And if you've seen Marvel, read it in the comic books or seen it, Captain America was a scrawny guy, but he was always brave from the beginning. So here you're using two different things, right? The person's not Captain America, it's a she. So that's the differences. And how they're similar is used with the word like right here. And it is the braveness. They're both brave. They're both willing to go in and do whatever, conquer their fears, right? Okay, so the last example is they're slower than a snail. Sorry, I'm in the way. So they're slower than a snail. So I'm describing they are, so it's a multiple people, and their difference is them and a snail. They're different, but what do they have in common? The similarity is they're slow, right? They're slower than a snail. So that's how you use a simile. Those are 3 examples using the like, as, and than. Thank you guys for watching this video. One last thing about a simile is that it is a literary device used in writing. And don't forget to like and subscribe and share with anybody else who wants to learn about writing. I appreciate it, and I love you 3000. See you in my next video.